angle, but it is not. And for my Caucasian fan out there, please, you do also need moisturizer. You also need to do your leave-in. And for those tracks that you keep on putting in because your hair is thin, you need to give it, like, change the parting, let the person put it in a different style, you know. And you need to do your scalp treatment. When I say scalp treatment, there are various different types. You have the electric scalp treatment. You have I have a castor oil hair growth serum that I have a volume. Yeah, I have various types. You can leave a comment and I'll get back to you. That is my homemade, well, not 100% homemade, because that is contour with peppermint and lemongrass. But for her, I also put in a little shea butter in it, and I am massaging it in very, very well. Please, if you want to use shea butter, if you can get the real African shea butter, I will really appreciate that. Now, your daughter, your son, because I have clients who grow their sons here, so I thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down below. Bye.